So one of the questions we get asked is, does California have a stand your ground law? We rephrase that a little bit. So in a self-defense claim, you have the right to defend yourself. You don't have to flee an assailant. You don't have to run away from somebody. You can stand your ground. The key is if somebody is using non-deadly force against you, you use non-deadly force against them. If somebody is threatening your life with a knife, a gun, or if they're specially trained, you can use deadly force to defend yourself. You don't have to flee. You shouldn't flee, frankly, because you're more likely to get hurt when you're running away. So you have every right to stand your ground in California. The key fact with self-defense is you can't use force in excess of what the other person is using. If a 2-year-old comes at you and tackles you, obviously you don't want to use excessive force. That'd be horrible. So instead, what you want to do is make sure if someone's coming at you and they're unarmed, you shouldn't use a weapon. You should use whatever techniques you can to defend yourself, but you can't shoot somebody who's running at you without a weapon. In the same way, law enforcement officers, we've represented a few over the years, law enforcement officers don't use deadly force unless deadly force is coming at them. However, you should know that under the law, even a person 30 feet away with a knife is threatening you and your life because it doesn't take all that long for that knife to be thrown or run toward you and stabbed. So just remember, you have every right to defend yourself. If someone's coming at you, armed especially, and even if they're not armed, you have a right to defend yourself. If possible, obviously avoid, but if you can't avoid, stand your ground, defend yourself. And if you get caught doing something the police think you shouldn't have done, give us a call at Strongest Event and we'll take care of it for you.